My name is Alan Shariff, founder of the Museum of Truth. I want to personally welcome you to my Patreon community. Here you will find the vision behind the museum and the journey we're building together. Thank you for being here. Now let me share the story with you. What if a museum could be more than a place to preserve the past? What if it could help reshape the future by confronting the truth? Welcome to the Museum of Truth, Culture, and Legacy, an online vision grounded in three of the deepest forces that shape humanity: religion, culture, and the painful but necessary truth of slavery. This isn't just a project about history. It's about how we live, what we believe, and the legacy we leave behind. Through this museum, we tell stories that many avoid. Stories of belief without labels, of culture's power to elevate or enslave, and of a slave trade that existed before ships ever crossed the Atlantic. We're building more than a website. We're building a space, digital today, and God willing, physical tomorrow, where people can reflect, question, and grow through the lens of truth. And we're inviting you to help bring it to life. By joining us on Patreon, you'll support the creation of new artwork, in-depth storytelling, and a permanent collection that speaks not just to the mind, but to the soul. Step inside the story of humanity, where truth is the guide. Thank you for watching, and thanks for supporting the mission. Together we are confronting the forces that divide us and lifting up the truth that unites us. Be sure to look below for exclusive updates, artwork, and behind-the-scenes contents I have created just for you.